Hey dears, in the series of structured query language, this is our third video, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to download SQL and install it and use it. So frequently we will continue with this. So let's open our browser, and here you can open just you can search download SQL server, and it is the software developed by Microsoft. So you can find here MySQL server, and here from any link you can just download, or if you want to go with this official website like mysql.com, from here also you can download mysql.com. Just go to the mysql.com and you can find such interface. Just click at downloads and just scroll down. Here you can find MySQL community. So here GPL downloads, when you click it here, it will be provided one like a list, and here just you can see the compatibles with that our devices. From here you can download it, and here you just click at MySQL installer for Windows. Here MySQL installer for Windows, and you will get such interface. And here you can choose your operating system. So it's a Windows, operating system is Windows, and we are going to install it among this here anywhere. So I'm going to install the first here. So you can install this one or second. So I'm going to install the first one. So it's start downloading. When you click it here, so no thanks, just start my download, and its download starts. After download starts, you just open it and start installing. So just you can install it, you can open it, just click it here. You can find our installation in process. Here you can find the different packets. So here is a server only or client only, full. If you want to use like PHP and something else, like you can find here you can find MyAdmin with the servers, and then PowerShells, even MySQL shells, and other like benchmark. From here also you can install, or for this your level, or I mean some basic levels about the tables, and if you're working with the tables and database, then you can go with the customize. So just click at the customize and the next, and here you will find the list about this different like MySQL server is there, and then application. So from here just choose here, you can find here numbers of the list. So just open it, explore it, and then first one, the current one, the first one, you can just select this and just ref this again go to the application. Here you need workbench. So workbench, again explore it, the first one, current one, then choose it and again select it for this, and just only this much. So you can ref it, you don't need more other. So MySQL connectors is there, documentation is there. Normally we can use only this much, only two, so that we can work. Or if you want to go with this all, that could be better, okay, if you want. So let's for this level I think it's only this much, this two. So I'm going to install only two first. And here the fast, just you can go with the fast, and then here I have already installed, so it's showing that it's already installed. So just click at execute. After then it's depend on your internet as well as it's fast, it takes time. Okay, after downloading you can go with the next, again execute. After installation complete, you can click at the next. It's a simple way you can just install here. You don't need to change here. It's by default what is you have provided. You just go to the next, and here also you just go to the next. You don't need to change anything. And here you can set the password. I'm also going to set the password. You can repeat it. And it's a week. Next. Here, okay, so here is saying that start the MySQL server the startup. So yes, of course, if you wish, you can check it, or if you don't wish, you don't need to check. Okay, so I'm going to check it here, or you can just check out. Okay, and the next here, yes, grant full access. Yes, of course, we grant full access because we are learning. And here execute, just click at the execute, and it is start again configuring with this all these steps. After configuring this all these steps, you can just click at the finish, and next again. And here is saying that copy the log to the clipboard. Yes, of course, you can start with the workbench, or I'm going to start with the workbench so that we can see the interface. So just click at the finish. Okay, so now you can find complete with workbench is installed. Okay, and see here you can find this interface. This is my interface of that first my workbench. From here you can start. So here is the local host, you can connect it, or if you wish to this delete and reconnect again, that also you can do from first. I'm going to delete this. So just right click it here, and here the delete connections. Of course, you can do the delete connections. Yes, delete is in this case also you can connect, or directly you can link without connection, without deleting also. So here is the plus sign. If you just click at the plus sign, here you can find here plus sign. If you click at the plus sign, and then you can get again that connections name you can give. So here is by default is the local host, and that's all. If you want to share the password, of course you can just password by clearing, or you can use the same password. So here is our login, so you can just here login. So I'm going to log it. Okay, so now this is our interface. You can get it here. So here is a 3 button at the top you can find here. So here if you want to hide that components like left right, so left right window here, the pan, left right pan, here left pan, right pan, and here bottom pan. So it's so the results output here you can find the output, and here SQL additions at the left, right, and the left side you can find here navigators. So navigators, here's the system. It's systems about that complete the system about SQL systems. So we have not created here. So in next video we are going to create this all. So this is the code. Here you can write here the code. So suppose if you want to create, just you can create, and it is the not case sensitive. So either you can use the all capital letter or a small letter, doesn't matter. So I'm going to use here database. So here create database, and then database name. Suppose I'm going to write here SPT code. Then here terminating semicolon, and at here to run it you can just click at here. Okay, so you can this third one here, if you click it here it runs, and you can find here after running you can find here down. So here automatically the create database is green color, that means it is run. And here we can see when you do the refresh at the navigator pan. In navigator pan you can find here, just see here SPT code is here. So here you can find these are the different objects like table views like this. We will see in this next video because it's so lengthy video. So see you in next video. Thank you.